How do I find my flight confirmation number on Expedia? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to find your flight confirmation number on Expedia. So if you're having trouble locating it, don't worry, this video will guide you through some easy, simple steps. So after booking, Expedia usually sends a confirmation email within 10 to 15 minutes. However, it may take a couple of hours to arrive. This email will contain your itinerary number and flight details. You can also verify your reservation online. First of all, open the Expedia application, log into your account, and navigate to the trips section from the bottom middle of the screen. And here you can see your upcoming trips. Click on it to view your flight details and confirmation number. You can access this page through a web browser as well. And if you still need assistance, you can call the Expedia's customer service and stay on the line until you speak with a representative. And the waiting time is typically around 3 to 10 minutes. Sometimes simply refreshing the app can resolve issues as well. To do this, you have to go to the account section and then scroll down and go to security and settings option. Then scroll down to find clear search and saved data. Simply tap on it and then click on continue. This way, you will be signed out of your account to clear the search history and saved items, and you won't have access to any booked trips until you sign in again. So lastly, if you don't receive your confirmation email with expected time frame, be sure to check your spam folder on your email. Additionally, you may also need to add Expedia to your list of allowed senders to ensure you receive the confirmation emails and future uploads. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.